The 14 is giving the 1,000 the back tire. It's a grudge race ride for these two. The money's up. Somebody gonna get paid. TT, it's a grudge race back here. The 1,000 gets the back tire against the 14. 14 gonna shoot at him. 14 gonna shoot at the 1,000. He gets the back tire. I hope he's all right. But right now we got a grudge race. We got a grudge race coming up. They got money up on this. This ain't no bull jive. We got the money. The money's up. 1,000 inside gets the back tire. The 14 got to come out of nowhere. Can he do it? Here we go. Waiting on each other. Grudge race. Money's up. Good Lord, the 1,000. The 1,000 gets the back tire. Leon. 1,000 gets the back tire. This is a grudge race. This is a money run. They not playing. This is not a test and tune run. They got their own money up. 14 versus 1,000. The 1,000 gets the back tire. Here we go. They both in gear. Here they come. They coming in.